we know, there's so many people wanting to make cakes and we can't at the moment because there's no flour and also there's hardly any eggs available. But I've managed to found this cake mix, and we're going to use mayonnaise instead of eggs. You need 3 tablespoons per egg. This mix wants 3 eggs, so we want 9 tablespoons of the mayo. So what we need to do is just basically follow the packet instructions. Now you have to put the mayo in with the wet first. We want 180 ml of cold water, 90 ml of vegetable oil. Though if you haven't got vegetable oil, I'm sure other oils will be fine. And then, doesn't look very appetizing, I know, in the cup, but we've got our mayonnaise that we're going to use instead of our eggs. So I've got 9 tablespoons of this already mixed out. So we just need to add that to the wet ingredients first before we add it to the dry, and make sure we mix it up really well. And then we can add to that, we can add the powder mix part, which in this case I'm using the packet mix. If you've got some flour and sugar, you can use your own. Oops. And then we just need to mix that up really well. Now the reason why we can use mayo is, like I said, is they do have eggs in them. Salad cream doesn't have eggs, so don't use salad cream, and don't use half fat mayo. It has to be the full fat mayo. You just need to mix that really well. Right. You can either put it in 2 cake tins or cupcakes, or you could do a tray bake. I'm going to put them into some cupcakes. There we go, last one to do. And then the instructions are on the packet mix if you're using your packet mix. Obviously it needs longer to cook if you're using 2 tins than if you're using cupcakes. So I'm going to pop these into the oven and then I'll show you when they come out. I just got the second lot out the oven. I managed to get 23, and I think I would have got 24 if I hadn't have overfilled the first lot. So let's see. Oh, it's a bit hot. They feel nice and firm. Let's see if it's still warm. So it might be. That looks absolutely fine. For the fact that we didn't use eggs, we used mayo, that looks fine. See what it's like. You wouldn't tell that that was mayo and not eggs. So if you've got cake mix, or can get cake mix, and you've got some mayo, or you've been lucky enough to get some flour but no eggs, give these a try. Honestly, they're really nice.